No, I mean you want to evolve as a batsman, try out various things when you're playing the game, uh, and some days you feel good, some days you don't feel good. You don't want to take those chances, and some days you just feel that okay, it's your day, you can take those chances. And all the three games that I played, I mean, I didn't went with certain approach. I just wanted to play the ball on merit and see what I can do after that. So I think if you see, except today, the last two games that we played, I just went with a very empty mind. I didn't want to think about anything, or there was no kind of any conscious effort to do something different. Today I just wanted to do something different. Today I just wanted to attack more. You know, Other than that, I genuinely don't feel that I was trying to consciously try and do something different. It just merit. I was trying to play on the merit in the first two games, and then today was a slightly different approach. Yes. जब आप मैचेस खेलते हो तो आप एज अ टीम आपको काफ़ी चीज़ें ट्राई करनी पड़ती है, काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस ढूंढने पड़ते हैं. तो इंडियन टीम भी उसी चीज़ में लगी हुई है, अलग अलग तरीके कॉम्बिनेशन से खेलने के लिए, अलग अलग तरीके के ऑप्शंस ढूंढने में. हमारे जो अभी फ़िलहाल जो टॉप 5 बैटर्स है, उसमें सिर्फ श्रेयस और सूर्या है जो थोड़ा बहुत बॉलिंग कर सकते हैं, बट वो रेगुलर बॉलर्स नहीं है, कभी रेगुलरली उन्होंने बॉलिंग नहीं किया है. ये दो जन हैं जो जिनके पास बॉलिंग की एबिलिटी है. बट सी अगेन, हमारे लिए जितना ज़्यादा डेप्थ होगा उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. तो अभी फ़िलहाल जो हमारी बॉलिंग है, अगर आप ऐसे ही बॉलिंग करते रहोगे तो तुम्हें छठे और सातवें बॉलर की ऑप्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके जो 5 बॉलर है वो हमेशा अगर अच्छा बॉल डालेंगे तो तुम्हें दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. बट एक कैप्टन के लिए एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन होता है अगर आपके पास 6 और 7 ऑप्शन हो बॉलिंग के लिए. देखिए, पॉजिटिव एक्चुअली काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें थी. पहली चीज़ जो मैं बोलना चाहूँगा वो ये है कि हमारी फील्डिंग पूरे तीनों गेम में हमने बहुत अच्छा फील्डिंग किया है. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा जब मैं ग्राउंड पर जाता हूँ तो मेरा थिंकिंग एज अ कैप्टन यही है कि हम फील्डिंग कितना अच्छा कर रहे हैं, कितने रन बचा रहे हैं. हम पिछले 2 गेम जो हमने खेले जयपुर और रांची में, उसमें हमने 15-15 रन रोके. आई थिंक आज भी हमने काफ़ी अच्छी फील्डिंग की, 2 रन आउट किए. तो आई थिंक वो एक सबसे बड़ा पॉजिटिव था. और उसके साथ साथ हमारी जो बॉलिंग थी वो सबसे बड़ी प्लस थी, क्योंकि दोनों बार जयपुर और रांची में ऐसे न्यूजीलैंड जैसे बैटिंग लाइनअप को हमने नियरली 160 के आसपास हमने उनको रोका. और जिस तरीके से आपने देखा ही होगा, जिस तरीके से उनका पावर प्ले का शुरुआत हुआ था दोनों गेम में, आई थिंक मैच कहीं पर भी जा सकता था. बट हमने वी केम बैक रियली वेल, उनको रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया. तो आई थिंक वो हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा प्लस था. स्पिनरों ने अच्छा बॉलिंग किया, दोनों स्पिनरों ने, अक्षर, अश्विन, और आज चहल को एक मौका मिला, उन्होंने भी अच्छा प्रदर्शन दिखाया. तो आई थिंक ये mainly I think our bowling was the biggest plus of the series. No, I think it's been a great comeback for him ever since he played in Dubai until now. I think he's a quality bowler. We all know that. Over the years, he's proved himself with the red ball, and even in white ball, he doesn't have a bad record. And now the way he has come back and bowled in Dubai and then 2 games here, it shows the quality that he has. And he's always an attacking option for a captain when you have someone like him in your squad. It always gives you that opportunity to take wickets in the middle. And we understand how important that middle phase is. That's where you need to put the brakes on the run rate, the scoring rate, and try and keep taking wickets. So I think Ashwin provides that to us in the middle, along with Akshar. I think both of these guys are wicket-taking options in the middle, and when they bowl, it's never about surviving. It's always about how I can get the batter out, or how I can put the pressure on the batter. That's how they think, and that's what they come up with all the time. So it's always a good option for a captain to have someone like them in the middle bowling those crucial overs and trying to put the pressure back on the opposition by taking wickets. No change. we understand when you're playing, you need to tick certain boxes, and we are trying to do that. It's just that we're trying to create a healthy atmosphere in the squad, trying to give players the security, so that players can go out and play fearlessly. The first meeting that we had, we spoke of this very clearly to all the players that, if you're trying to do something for the team, that act will never go unnoticed. We will always recognize when you are trying to put the hand and take the pressure on yourself and trying to do something for the team. And that is the job of a captain and a coach, to tell the players that, we do understand what you're trying to do for the team. You go and take your chances. If it comes off, well and good. If it doesn't, we still back you to do that, because you're doing it for the team. And anything anyone does for the team, it's always a good sign, and you have to always back that thought. And probably that is what we're going to do here, and stay consistent with that. We're going to try and do that as much as possible, because the talent that we have in India, it's not easy. You have to see so many options. Most of the guys who are sitting outside have also done really, really well. So you try and fit all of these guys into the squad, and it's not easy. Only 11 can play. We know that. So it's always tough, but we will try our best to make sure that whenever the players step out, they don't have any baggage. It's been only 6 days that we've worked together. I have known Rahul Bhai for a long time. Paras, I've known him for a long time as well. Dilip, I've not met him. I've just had a very brief interaction with him when he joined the team. But they seem to be all, great guys. They have worked together as a team with under-19s and India A. So they work really well as a group. And you can clearly see that they have quickly fit into our scheme of things, and trying to take the team forward. They all have a very good game sense, which will be a great help for us moving forward. The plan is to keep him in the mix as much as we can. At the same time, we need to give him a role, to bat, where he usually doesn't bat. For his franchise, he bats up the order, and it's going to be slightly tough for him to bat up the order here. So we've given him a role to, bat at probably 5, 6 or 7, whatever it is, in the middle order or lower order, whatever it is, and see if he can do the job for us. Today he looked quite composed. He was whatever time he was out there in the middle, he looked quite composed. He was clear in his mindset, and he had a very good approach, from whatever he wanted to try. And you saw his bowling skills. He looks a very, very bright prospect for us. Clearly, he's got the skills in terms of his bowling as well. He can get the job done for us. It's just about giving him that confidence. Making him play as much as we can, and see if he can deliver for us. It's still very early days. He's played only 2 games, 3 games, and he's not had much of an opportunity to make an impact. But going forward, we'll definitely keep an eye on him.